Hello guys. This time I will make a percentage animation text tutorial like this. In After Effects, which of course you have opened After Effects. Create a composition and add text. After that, add effects slider control. Open the text arrow. Connect source text to slider control using pick whip. Open the text source arrow, then change the contents of the expression. For the expression later, I will provide it in the description or in the comments. Activate the initial keyframe slider at 0. Press U to see the active keyframe and the final keyframe at 100. Or whatever you want. You can ease by pressing F9 on the keyboard. Here I added an animation on with a scale on the initial keyframe with 100. Advance 4 frames for the second keyframe with 118. Advance again 4 frames for the last keyframe with 100. Then ease. Click the scale keyframe plus press Alt on the keyboard to activate the expression. And paste the expression. That's it for the tutorial. Hopefully it's useful. Thank you for watching.